India-Bhutan relations. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi prepares to visit Bhutan, the stage is set for further strengthening the multi-factored cooperation between the two neighboring nations across various sectors. India and Bhutan share a unique and exemplary bilateral relationship founded on mutual trust, goodwill and understanding. Formal diplomatic ties between the two countries were established in 1968, with the cornerstone being the Treaty of Friendship and Cooperation signed in 1949 and subsequently renewed in February 2007. Over the years, high-level exchanges have played a pivotal role in nurturing the strong bond between India and Bhutan. King of Bhutan Jigme Khesar Namgyal Wangchuck has made several visits to India, underscoring the close ties between the two nations. His last visit to India was in November 2023. Similarly, PM Modi's visit to Bhutan in August 2019 marked a significant milestone with the launch of major bilateral projects aimed at bolstering economic cooperation and connectivity. The economic partnership between India and Bhutan has flourished over the years, driven by the India-Bhutan Agreement on Trade, Commerce and Transit. This agreement, first signed in 1972 and revised multiple times, has facilitated a free trade regime between the two countries, promoting bilateral trade and economic growth. India stands as Bhutan's top trade partner both in terms of imports and exports. The bilateral trade volume has seen a significant surge, reaching 11,178 crores in 2022, showcasing the robust economic engagement between the two nations. India's investments in Bhutan span various sectors including banking, manufacturing, electricity generation and IT services, contributing to Bhutan's socio-economic development and fostering closer economic integration. India has been a steadfast development partner for Bhutan, extending economic assistance to support its socio-economic progress since the 1960s. India's contribution to Bhutan's 12th five-year plan, amounting to Rs 5,000 crore, underscores its commitment to supporting Bhutan's developmental aspirations. The focus areas of India's assistance include agriculture, ICT, healthcare, infrastructure development and human resource capacity building. With over 83 large and intermediate projects and 524 small development projects in various stages of implementations, India's developmental footprint in Bhutan continues to grow, reinforcing the strategic partnership between the two nations. Hydropower cooperation remains a cornerstone of bilateral economic cooperation between India and Bhutan. Bhutan's hydropower potential has been harnessed through mutually beneficial partnerships, contributing significantly to its socio-economic development.